What's up guys? So, the Huawei's Mate 40 series will be officially unveiled on October 22nd. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. The lineup apparently consists of 4 models, which includes the Huawei's Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus, and the Mate 40 Pro RS Porsche design. And yesterday, I uploaded a video, in which I talked about this poster of the Mate 40 Pro, that the smartphone is going for an octagon camera shape, and will feature 5 cameras on its back. And now, we got some further details regarding that. So, Rodent, a well-known Huawei leakster, said in his tweet that, "I don't confirm this, but it looks like the cameras are bi-model, like the Mate 40, and the Mate 40 Pro will have 3 cameras, Mate 40 Pro Plus will have 4 cameras, and the top-end model, Mate 40 Pro RS Porsche design, will have Penta-camera setup." Which makes sense though, like Huawei is now adopting Apple's strategy. 2 phones will stand between flagship and mid-range category, so people gonna buy it easily, and 2 phones will be flagship with higher price tag. And as far as this octagon camera shape module is concerned, the Mate 40 series will have rounded camera module like the Mate 30 Pro and RS Porsche design. The high-end model will have this octagon camera housing plus 5 cameras. Well, as I told you earlier that the Mate 40 series will provide 4 different models, and if we specifically talk about the high-end model, the Porsche design variant, it's getting a new feature, which is really unique. So, a Vivo chipster said, Huawei's public testing platform today released an app called Thermometer. Yes, it's strange, but the app introduction mentioned that it only supports the Mate 40 RS variant. So, what it basically does is it will have an infrared measurement camera sensor on the back of the phone, which will be able to check your temperature. I know, it's not that pleasing, but if we consider the whole pandemic around the globe, you can say this will be really helpful. But it's the first Huawei phone that will feature it, so you just simply need to put the phone where you want to measure your temperature, and boom, it will quickly measure the body's temperature, and will definitely helps you. Now, we get our first benchmark of the SoC through Geekbench, which showcases its Mate, a Huawei device with the NOHNX9 model number, which we presume is the Mate 40 Pro, managed a 1020 single-core score and a 3710-point outing in the multi-core department. To put that into context, current flagships, like the Snapdragon 865-powered Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, manage around 900 points in the single-core test and roughly 3,100 points on the multi-core test. The new Kirin 9000 chipset has a CPU with a base frequency of 2.04 GHz, and reportedly comes with an overclocked ARM 77 big core, taking it over 3.1 GHz. We can see the listing also reveals 8 GB RAM and Android 10 on the software side. So what do you think about it? Are you interested to buy the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro? If yes, let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.